Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I love when there's things that can make your car go from this to this. These Evan-Fischer headlights have turned out absolutely beautifully. With our 2009 Pontiac Vibe, it was as easy as loosening up the bumper and releasing a few screws and the light came off. Then my husband was able to take off the 3 switches that connected to the light, and then the light easily removed from the car. Then with the new light, he just had to hook up the wires that went to the lights, and then once those were connected, he just had to slide it into place and adjust it. And then once it was adjusted, he can tighten up the bolts that went with it. And then as you can see, it fit perfectly, nicely, ready to go. And then we took out for a test run at nighttime, and it was a huge difference. We were so happy to be able to remove the foggy look. It brightened up our light situation, and it made the car look completely different. And that is just our point of view.